Hi, I'm Rachel Henderson. I am the state representative for District 78, which are the beautiful towns of Bethel, Byron, Milton, Hanover, Roxbury, and my hometown of Rumford. As far as prayer goes, one of the things that I've prayed over the last few years and asked my church body to pray for has been obviously wisdom, but also discernment. And I'm reminded frequently of Nehemiah when he went back home to build the city. He worked with a tool in one hand and a sword in the other. And that's a lot of what the work that we do here in the legislature is. And that's, our prayer, or my hope is that the prayer would be for wisdom to discern when to use the tool and when to use the sword. Not only is this a battlefield of diabolically opposed ideologies, of the ideologies of heaven, the ideologies of hell, ideologies of good, ideologies of evil, but this is also a harvest field. And there are people here who need Jesus, whether it is actual legislators, whether it's staff members. So my prayer would be for those, my hope would be that you would pray for us, that those that are here in the halls would be able to discern on an individual basis when we need to fight and when we need to build, when we need to build bridges, build relationships. People will hear the gospel from someone that they trust, but not from someone who's consistently fighting them and angry and cruel. That we choose our words wisely, that we be as wise as serpents, but as harmless as doves.